yo, I made $12,000 in 20 days and this is how I did it. I found a cheap piece of vacant land, okay? Once I found that cheap piece of vacant land, I then skip traced the owner using a website called bigskiptracing.com, okay? Once I contacted the owner, they gave me a price, okay? They wanted $100,000 for the lot, right? So I got the property under contract for $100,000 for the vacant lot, okay? And then I already had builders on my buyer's list because I had to look for a cash buyer's list. So I had the contract now, right? So I assigned it to one of my buyers for $112,000. So then they closed. This deal was extremely simple. As far as how I found the lead, I actually found the lead via text messaging, right? Because once I got their phone number, I texted them. And I texted them using this software called durutexting.com. Guys, it's not cheap, but if you're in the business, it's definitely efficient. Now, as far as comping the land, I use durudata.com. And yes, these are affiliate links, guys, so you can keep the channel running. And with durudata.com, you do get a 7-day free trial, but I get to get the seller's information and everything, and I get to get comparables, guys. So when I put all this information together, I was able to make $12,000 by flipping the land to this builder. Anyone can do this, okay? You can do this all across the country. It's not hard. This process is called wholesaling houses. It's simple, but it's not easy. It does take work. Not all deals will be this simple. Not all deals will be this easy, but the process overall is simple. It does take a lot of work, but wholesaling houses, to me, is the fastest way to put 5 figures and 6 figures into your bank account without risking your credit, without risking a bunch of money. You just have to be willing to do the work, guys. All right? So to learn more about wholesaling, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put another video on the screen and in the comments that you can go watch. Also, you can go to freenasbook.com to learn this process of how I did this. Guys, I'm Nasser, AKA the Real Estate Guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a doer because I actually do this business. Peace.